right, it's time for us to do some thinking about another important letter in our alphabet. Today we're going to be doing some thinking about a letter that makes the sound at the beginning of all of these words I'm about to say. Ready? Repeat after me. Say the word dog, did, don't, dust, do. Okay, now that we've said all those words one time, when you say them this time, I want you to notice how your mouth moves at the beginning of all of these words that we're going to say a second time. I want you to ask yourself, what sound do you hear coming out of your mouth at the beginning of these words? Ready? Say the word dog, did, dust, don't, do. The sound that comes at the beginning of all these words is the sound D. When I make the sound D, I notice that my tongue does something really important to help me make that sound. My tongue lifts up a bit inside my mouth and it touches the back of my teeth and the top of my mouth, right in that little spot where my teeth meet the top of my mouth. Try it. D. After it touches that spot, it drops down to the bottom of my mouth. You try it and see what happens. Repeat after me. D. Do it again. D. Good. If you notice then, a quick bit of air comes out of my mouth too. Feel it when you make that sound. D. Do you feel a little bit of air coming out? D. It's quick, but it definitely comes out. This is the sound D. This is for the letter D. D, dog, D. Repeat after me. D, dog, D. Good. One more time. D, dog, D. Okay. This time I'm going to show you how the letter looks. Uppercase D is a long, tall line, back up in a long, round hump. D. Lowercase d goes around like a C, back up and down. D, dog, D. You say it. Perfect. All right, I want you to make sure that you have something to write on and something to write with. You're going to do some work with this D sound. When you're ready, let's think. Okay, we're going to make a word. I'm going to say a word, but I'm going to be missing some of the sounds on my board. Let me show you what I mean. I want to write the word dot. I know dot has 3 sounds. D, t, dot. I'm not going to give you the first letter that makes the first sound, but I am going to give you the second one and the last one. D, t, dot, ot. We already have. On your paper, I want you to write down the letter that makes the sound at the beginning of the word dot. What letter would go in this spot? Because it makes the sound D when we say the word dot. Dot. I hope you wrote down on your paper letter D. D. D, dog, D. In dot. D, t, dot. Okay, let's do another one. This time you're going to do more of the work on your own. So have your pencil ready and your paper ready. I'm going to say the word mad. I'm going to give you the first sound and the second sound, but I'm not going to give you the last sound. What letter goes in the last sound in the word mad? Write it on your paper. Mad. Mad. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. We have a, d, d. I felt my tongue hit the top of my mouth right behind my teeth. D. And then it dropped down to the bottom of my mouth. Let's check if air comes out. D. Oh yeah, that fast air came out. I need a D. D, dog, D. Around like a C. Back up and down. Mad is the word. Okay, here's the next one. Our word is the word bid. I'm going to give you the first sound. I'm going to give you the second sound, but I am not going to give you the last sound. You have to figure it out. What letter goes at the end of the word bid? Bid. We have b, I. You need the last sound. Write it on your paper. Bid. Say the word to yourself. Stretch it out. B, I, d. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. B, I, d. D. D, dog, d. Around like a C. Back up and down. Bid. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to write the word dig. Dig. I'm going to give you the first sound, not the middle sound, and the last sound. Dig. Dig is the word. What sound goes in the middle of the word dig? We have D. What sound is it? Dig. Dig. Be ready? In 3, 2, 1. D. What sound? I. What letter makes the sound I? I. I. Itch. I. G. Dig is the word. Okay, let's do one more together. This time we're going to write the word dug. I dug a hole. Dug. I'm not going to give you the first sound. I'll give you the next sound and the last sound. Dug is the word. What sound comes at the beginning of the word dug? What letter makes that sound? Write it on your paper or shout it out. What's the sound? Dug. D. D. Dog. D. D comes first. Dug. D. G. Dug. Today I was sitting in my living room with my dog, and I was petting my dog, and I thought about my dog a lot, and I was thinking, my dog starts with a D. Dog. And then my daughters and I were doing some painting, and we were making dots on our paper, and I noticed the word dot. D starts with the sound D. Do you have anything in your house, or are you doing anything around your house that makes the D sound? Even that word do, doing, starts with the D sound. See what things you can find. There are so many items and so many things that we do that make the sound D at the beginning of the word. Have fun. See you later.